payment proof on screen here. Okay, you can make money like this online just by having a Reddit account. Okay, having a Reddit account and going over to a website and get paid when you like a post. Okay, so watch to the end to learn how this is done. So if you are new to my channel, this is online money also channel. Okay, I post content on how to make money online, be it affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, paying service sites, and many more. You can see I have a lot of content making money. Okay, so if you are new here, kindly come to my channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel. Okay, so what you have to do here is come over to reddit.com, register an account, register a normal account. Okay, this is just an account I created. Okay, create a Reddit account. You can create some subreddit, join them. Okay, there's some subreddits you can join. Okay, just join as many as possible. Make sure your Reddit account is a good account. Okay, like it's a real account, not any spammy Reddit account. Okay, so when you are done registering on this account, so we'll be going over to this website, Pico Workers. If you can see, these are list of job you can do on Reddit just to upload. That's like. Okay, you can see a lot of offers available for you to do, just for you to click on it and upvote. So I'll be showing you how to go about this. So you have to click on the job. So this is the job here. Okay, Reddit upvote. Say okay, read instruction carefully, upvote the following post. Okay, this link of the Reddit post, you have to copy it and paste in your browser. Then after upvoting, refresh the page to show that your upvote is there. So when you copy and paste the link, you'll be directed to this. This is the Reddit post that I say you should upvote. So what you do here is click on this. This is the upvote button. So when you tap on it, it automatically upvoted. Okay, so you can just refresh to confirm it's there. So when you say are done, you just come over here. You can see, come over here, then you have to fill in your proof that you have completed the task. Say the user you used, just type in the username. Okay, let me say username. We'll say okay, online money also. Okay, and the title of the post, you come back and this is the title of the post, insane micro pet dogs, and you can just copy and paste it. Okay, just copy and paste the title here, very easy. Copy and paste, come over here and you paste it here. So what you have to do is then you click on submit proof. Then within some hours, the employer will have to review your job to confirm if it's correct, and if it's done, you get approved and you earn this. And there are a lot of options you can do to repeat this. So you can do this every day till you make the minimum withdrawal of $5. I can get your payment via PayPal. Okay, because I've shown you some payment proof in the beginning of this video. So this is how it works. You can make extra income online with your Reddit account just by liking posts and voting posts. Okay, so that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not, and please comment down your country below so I can know where you are watching this video from, so I can keep posting content available in your country. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.